is for the market to drop to 76.50. We want to see if we have some strength at that price. And we will move back down to that price. The question is whether or not we're going to short it before it gets there, and it looks like that's going to be the call. We're coming back down to that price, and we know that because of what's happened on the premium. So now we're looking for an opportunity to short the market. Oh, that went awfully fast. we said we needed to short the market, and I was about ready to pull the trigger, and boom! Wow, did that short fast. Well, we're in a short, and it shorted quickly. Whoa! And we saw evidence of weakness at the top, and it was momentarily just getting ready to execute manually when that hit. Wow, that hit big. That's what you call getting in a little late. That's funny. I'm going to take the time now to just show you why we said that there was weakness here. See the color change at the top of this move from cyan, dark cyan to white? That shows weakness. That shows weakness. We had the same pattern develop on another chart that was even. Let me pull that over. Come on. Well, can't quite seem to get where I want. But you see it here from white to cyan and then back to white. That's a reversal, and once again that shows weakness. Okay. Alright, and we are up 8 ticks on that belated belated short trade. So we'll see a little volatility here. Alright, we're not going to get much out of our slower charts. So, as that is the case, I'll come back in a second and reanalyze. Okay. We should be expecting the SPOOs to hit a new low for the day off of that move. So we're holding that trade. So we'll see a little volatility going into the low. Pattern recognition tells us that we should be hitting 971.50. One of our primary indicators is the VIX, and we're watching the VIX on another chart. The VIX is hitting new highs. Generally speaking, when the VIX is hitting new highs, the SPOOs should be hitting new lows, and for all practical purposes that's what this is doing. And what we really want to see is divergence. Some form of divergence on the VIX. We also track divergence on the ADSPD, the advanced decline on the S&P, and we also watch divergence on the ES. We measure divergence by the use of a DPO indicator, a detrended price oscillator. We'll let this come down a little further, so we'll take a break and just let that play out, and we'll come back in a couple of minutes. Now you notice how we just momentarily here moved from the cyan colored bar into a magenta. The strength has diminished considerably once we see that happen, and we're now up 16 ticks. But we fully anticipate a drop down to 71.50. You could call that a day. But our intent here is to just show you through the course of the day what we're capable of doing, properly understand